Guys, welcome back to another video, and today I got we're gonna be unboxing a hoverboard, and it's called the Gravity Blade. So let's get right into it. So this thing is actually really heavy. It's 40 pounds without the box. So with the box and the charger and all, is probably even more. So here we go. Let's open it up. I'm so excited for this thing. Come on, open up. Okay, here it is. Here we open it. This thing's actually heavy. I'm not sure. It's probably the battery. Whoa, you guys probably can't see this, but I'll bring it out. Okay, so we've got a charger. This is what the charger looks like if you're gonna be getting this, and I highly recommend get a Gravity Blade because they are literally the smoothest, most like it's like light for a hoverboard. You see this thing? This thing is the charger, and it works fine. The only thing that kind of worries me, it says made in China. You know what that means. Okay, so now take the styrofoam. Yikes. Here's the styrofoam. Put that to the side. It only has a manual. The box takes up like half the screen. We got the manual. Don't need that. We'll probably do that. Yeah, we do need that. Oh boy, and here it is. Here it is. I'm going to show you guys it. It's just hard to film this 40-pound thing. Oh boy. This thing looks and feels amazing. Oh. Boy. This thing's 40 pounds. Not gonna lie. Kind of smells like cancer, but let's ignore that. Here we go. Oh, look at this. Oh boy, it smells like cancer now. Whew, cancer with feels. Oh boy. I need to air this thing out. It smells toxic. Oh my gosh, but look at this thing. Hey, you gotta love this. Now, I'm not sure if it's charged. I'm not going to turn it on right yet. Put all this to the side. Anything else in the box besides styrofoam? Oh, that's nice. Look what we got. Dude, these things are $15 on Amazon. These things are $15 on Amazon, and I got one for free. So this also smells like cancer. I'd leave it outside for a bit to get rid of the cancerous smell. But that is actually awesome. We got one of these bags for free. If you want to travel with it, maybe take it on an airplane, you should probably get one of these. But this feels so good. I'll put away the box here. It should be charged. Not entirely sure. What is this? Is that the charger? Oh, I found the charger spot. So if you're wondering where the charger spot is, it's actually right. Wait, that's not it. It's actually right here. So you just basically go in there, and then it just starts charging. I'm gonna close it up because I'm not entirely sure if it's charged. Now, how do you turn this thing on? Is there a button? Here, I have a manual, but it should be easier than it looks. Wait, what's the button that I saw? Oh boy! Look at this thing. It's like a Tesla. This thing's a Tesla, dude. Okay, so I'm gonna bring it over here because this thing, Dude, it has an autopilot feature thing. It literally was down, and then it just went doo and it went into shape. So here, this is it. I've been on it for a couple minutes now. I feel like there's an autopilot feature or something, some weird thing. Because when I go around this box,